like to do when we go to Old Bahama Bay is we usually book a flight via Apex from Melbourne, Florida to Grand Bahama, just because it's very quick and very convenient. Old Bahama Bay has its own landing strip right there, so you land it right there on their property pretty much. Welcome to the Bahamas! So we met up with Keith of West End Ecology Tours, and Keith, what he specializes in is stingray trips. And the stingrays come right up to you because he usually feeds them almost every day. He takes people out there almost every day. Out all around you. It's a really cool experience, and it's only in 1 to 2 feet of water. Keep in mind, these are wild animals, so the cool thing about Keith is that he really respects these animals and he cares about them. So while you're out there, he will teach you how to do the same. So while you're out there surrounded by hungry stingrays, you're all trying to compete for that fish. You can pet them, you can play with them. They're just really gentle creatures. I really like hanging out with them. While I was out there feeding the stingrays, I saw sharks. This island that they take you to feed the stingrays, it's just a gorgeous little island. It's private, and while you're there, it's just so peaceful. You get to experience nature. It's small, so you can pretty much walk all the way around it in like a few minutes, but you get to see so many beautiful things. The water around it is beautiful. There's conch everywhere.
Okay, so we're here at Sandy Key, exploring. We just swam with the stingrays. We went lobstering, we got some conch, and now we're just enjoying our day with this beautiful background. Woo! Just living the dream. Not only you can see the stingrays, but you can also see sharks, lemon sharks, nurse sharks, some reef sharks too, I think would come around here. But usually when we're feeding the stingrays, we might see them. We don't see them every time, but for those of you who enjoy seeing sharks, that's a good spot to see sharks. And we're in the Bahamas, let's not forget, sharks are everywhere. This place is amazing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It was a blast doing this. Every time I'm in the Bahamas, it's always fun to go lobstering, swimming the stingrays, fishing. It's always a good time in the Bahamas. So we're staying at Old Bahama Bay. It's West End Grand Bahama. Love it here.